Hello, good afternoon. My name is Pierre Plaza. I work for Sigma Technologies. I'm responsible for the research and development projects in the company. We are a company devoted to artificial intelligence products and services already from 2008. So we have a lot of experience around data and the handling of data for intelligence services. Well, it's a very interesting question because queries are an industry that has not been integrated very much into data management. And therefore, the first objective of the project was to digitalize all the different processes and came up with an architecture that assembles all the different data coming from SCADA systems that are already used in the queries and make it, let's say, available for tools, artificial intelligence tools, in order to take this data and take decisions around the different processes and make production much better, less costly, and also environment friendly. So there is a lot of possibilities, but the data until now has not been really exploited on the queries. And our company will be devoted to to develop around 5 different topics or services for quality of the production, the costs of the production, analyze how the production can be implemented in a much fancier way. Also, we are developing a service that will be dealing with the development of a system in order to capture all the different data that is held on the queries data systems and make a search engine that takes natural language processing and came up with let's say, an answer to any question you may have of the documentation you are looking on a query and have a personalized search result into your hands, in a very fancy and easy way, just like in Google, but very much personalized for the queries for their own system and their own data. Well, in our case, it's important for any artificial intelligence company to enter into new businesses. And certainly this one, the DigiEco Query project, for our company, it's a completely new world. But in a way, you can see that that artificial intelligence can be really applied to any kind of business and in industry. And for us, it is very important. Why? Because this industry has not really entered into digital age yet. So that's why for us it's very important, because it's an industry that is yet to be developed and we have there a great opportunity. So that's why Sigma Technologies is inside the DigiEco Query project. I think we are taking a very important step for the querying industry in order to digitalize all the data, because costs are the most important factor for the query sector. Because any cent matters. And if you treat the data in an automatic way in order to introduce things like organizing the production in the best times in order to make it as less costly as possible, to organize the fabrication processes in order not to influence, let's say, the environment. We can obtain data coming from many sensors, and you can take this data and make decisions that will really embrace, let's say, for the queries, a totally new set of possibilities in order to reduce cost, to reduce pollution around the environment, in order to reduce the energy consumption that is key in Europe. So there are so many possibilities that are open with the data that we are capturing in the DigiEco Query project, and then making it available for intelligent tools like the ones of artificial intelligence.